this is Spider-Man Homecoming drawing. This is Spider-Man, Vulture, and Avengers Tower. So now that's just amazing start informations. I have three drawings. I have drawn Spider-Man logo and Spider-Man Homecoming. This is Spider-Man, and this is Spider-Man throwing the web. And nice is about the eyes. This is the Vulture main villain in this movie. So now it's all the powers, weapons, and true lies. And this is the helmet with the stake. And can the wings was very deeply and hard and a splasher. That was creativity to use it on the wings with the hands and the nails. Whose finances the power. And now let's to talk the Avengers Tower. I am draw have the pencil with the light colors, and to that the Avengers Tower it was in the creepy and also the Wolf Rock. So this is not what creepy, but it is not the city in the New York. And let's the towers. And I have make on the ones. This is the pencils. The vultures was uh, disc plate. Yes, disc plate. Okay, now to let's talk the second drawing. My Ghost Rider. Ghost Rider was the third part, and I have seen it was the first picture on the versus the first part. The light color was the shining in the jacket. The clothes are very amazing, and these wins the chain on the metal. The hands with the spines on the slats out within the straps. The Ghost Rider was the finial the fire, and the eyes was the deeply strangers and with angry. And the spines are creativity and the interesting. My fire I have drawn the shading with orange color and light yellow colors. The mixture orange and yellow, and that was the same colors. The real chain was hot using the powers and the Ghost Rider. And this is name was Ghost Rider 3 Eternal Darkness. I have the draw this name on created its mind. Name was stylish on the fastest style on the fire, and 3 was look like blood and is a blood scratch. Internal darkness was writing on a simple. Those was look like in dangerous. Ghost Rider real chain was chain with a hardened muscle and look like the shoes. I have some the blue colors with the light shining. This, and this. The head with the horrible. And the last drawing is lockdown robot transformer is of extensions. This is the helmet and the bullets yellows, and the helmet was green, and now was a mouth gun, and this is missiles for the hand, whether they're dangerous. And now to talk with the hand with a new light base, and this is screws on this on arm body, that because it's a robot with a high technology and us. And now to talk with the dogs. Dogs will be stylish silver hound. The robot transform in the car with a stylish sports car. And the second, these are the machines in ideal to the strings stops. And this the stomach smile missiles. The hand smiles are very dangerous and either the replay tops. And the helmet was on a round, but this is not real face. This is a real face in the under. The helmet was open to the big guns and opens. The screws are one by two. I have draw the rectangles, circles, square, dots, and scratches. And these scratches, the screws on this. We draw the robot. And now to talk the name. The Transformer Age of Extinction to the fourth part is our main villain in this movie. This is a race with a stylus on these colors. And the hands was the arm to is a catching the all spark powers neutron the cybertron planet, but I have not create only this is the villain photo. And the villain, and this is the light car. The chest is a car, the front side, and the hand was the tires, and this is the legs was outside. The dogs, the only dangerous, and it's not pet. It's the created ourselves. This is the one screw and the Gly. And the missiles are only major missiles. The target fixed and this is the launch. And the dogs, these are not reals on the shadow computing with the light rays. And these dogs are the very dangerous, so don't in the playing. But this is not real, so not this is movie. Only computers shadows, and you have created the scenes. And this dogs are the machines, the screws and wires to create the light with the eyes. So this is the information with the lockdown robot, and these are the three drawings with had the completed and information, and was the information was created in the draw. So keep supporting me, and thanks for watching. To subscribe my channel.